Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to understand Python versus R language. Which one is better for data science? Which should you learn? Python or R? Which one is better for data science? Okay, and which one is better for data science? If you are confused, you are not alone. In this video I will give you the simplest answers, no confusion. Okay, so let me save your time. So if you are a beginner, choose Python. If if you love statics, you can choose R. For most people, Python is a better choice. For most people, Python is a better choice. Okay, and what is the Python? Python is a simplest, simple and easy to learn programming language. Python is very simple and easy to learn. It is used for data science, web development, AI and machine learning. And its big advantage, you can do many things with one language. Okay, like, so with the help of Python, you can use AI, you can use fast API, Django, Flask to build the backend and REST APIs. Okay, and with the help of Python, you can do data analysis, and also you can learn data engineering. Also, you can do course in data science. Okay, and you can like with the help of Python, you can do many things. Okay, but R is mainly built for what? What is the R? R is mainly built for statics and data analysis and data visualization. It is very powerful for research work, but it is not a flexible as Python. Okay, now we are going to understand Python versus R. Okay, so easy of learning. Ease of learning. So Python is very easy and R is medium. R is also not difficult, but it should be medium. Okay, so for me it is kind of medium. Okay, and job opportunities. Python give you more job opportunities, and in R we have less job opportunities. Okay, and we can compare with huge cases also. So Python use everywhere. Python is equals to everything, and are mostly used in data analysis only. Okay, and community of Python very huge, and community of R is very smaller. Okay, so what company use? Most company prefer Python. Why? Because it work with machine learning, automation and backend system, generative AI, agentic AI. So everywhere Python is going to use. Okay, company want developer who can do more than just analysis. Okay, so when should we choose R? Okay, when should we choose R? Choose R if you love statics, you are doing research, you work in academics. Okay, otherwise Python is enough, no need to learn R. Okay, so then don't waste your time choosing forever. Pick one and start. You can always learn the other later. You can always learn the other later. But staying is more important than choosing. Sorry, but starting. Starting is more important than choosing. Okay, so Python or R. So Python or R, which one? So for most beginner, Python wins. And start today and follow, subscribe for more tech guide. Bye bye, take care, see you in next video.